This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carrie Henning. Nicely maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the desirable reserve at Buckingham. Established community with low HOA fees, only $400 per year. Home is light and bright, offering a split floor plan with dining, living, breakfast and family room. Inside laundry and a large 2-car garage. Screened lanai overlooking landscape private backyard with mature oak trees and room for a pool. Recent updates include a new roof in 2019. Kitchen cabinet pullouts, master shower tile and door 2018. Interior and exterior paint, dishwasher and disposal 2017. New carpet and tile, gutters 2016. Convenient to shopping, dining, entertainment, library and the Fort Myers River District. Don't delay, schedule your appointment today. Homes do not last long in this community. For more information, review the details below.